Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today's painting is actually going to be acrylic, again simple, but there are some things that you need to remember. I'll explain that later. Before we continue, if you are new to this channel, hit that like button and please subscribe and share with your friends so that it helps YouTube algorithm to reach more people. Hi again. So like I said, a simple painting, but if you see, I also have other paintings on my channel where sea wave or some of many paintings that I've done with just the sea wave. Understand the eye of the wave, the highlights, the structure, the shadow, everything actually. But here I've kept it very simple. Just concentrate on my brush stroke. I have used angular brush. You don't have to use that. You can just use just normal big flat brush, more than enough. Don't use you can use round brush, but I think flat brush will cover more space. Plus also the edge, not the flat edge, the corner of the brush, the way I am holding my angular brush, you can hold the same way and then use this the corner of the brush to get the top of the waves. Now only 2 or 3 things to remember: hold the brush and tap, and the tip actually you just have to reload white again and again, because what happens is again depends, because see, there are certain things that you need to remember. If the bottom layer is actually dried and then you are actually taking the only white and then doing it, then what happens is you will get white streaks. Intention is not that. My intention is to get both colors. So one corner actually you can have a little bit of white, and the other side a little bit of blue, or otherwise you try to paint this when paint is little bit wet. If not, you are going to have a little bit of struggle. But main thing is in terms of the effect that what you want to see. I did it fast, so surface was a little bit wet, but I also took 2 paints, made sure that I loaded white again and again so that I get the top one as white. But it's a very simple far away waves. My main intention is far away waves, the many waves, and then seagull birds in the front. Concentrate on seagull birds, small brush, eyes, the reflection and the shadow. These are the 3 things that you need to keep in mind. Those are the ones I have played with. The shadow I have used the same color, the reflection is the same color of the bird, but the water is moving, so they are all squiggly. So that's the thing that you need to remember. If you remember these things, I think you should be good with this painting. Everything is actually just the brush application and then the color as well. So try this out. Actually, this is beginner and intermediate. If it is beginner, if you feel it difficult, you just need to practice more, because brush application sometimes it looks easier. When you do it, you might not get that effect. So you try to do it small pieces and then go for the big one. So try it out and let me know how it goes, and I'll see you in some other video.